Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if the USB pendrive or USB drive or microSD drive is fake, corrupted or okay in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as fake drive check. And on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see here download option, just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to run this software installer. So now it has automatically detected my USB pen drive. So now just click on this drive and it will start processing. So wait for a few seconds until the complete processing is done. So finally you can see my USB pen drive is not a fake, so you can see drive is okay. So if you see your drive is fake or corrupted, then your USB pen drive might have a fake internal storage or your USB drive might have corrupted also. So you can see some instructions on the right side. You can read it if you want to read it. So in my case, I have completely verified that my drive is okay and it's not a fake one. So by using this simple application named as fake drive check, you can easily find out if the USB pen drive or USB drive or microSD drive is fake, corrupted or okay in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.